students, I am Mrs. Hafsa, your computer teacher from Army Public School and College System, Rahimia Khan, and this is your third lecture of computer science. And the topic of today's lesson is computer viruses, in which we are going to discuss how malware spreads, common symptoms of malware attacks, protecting computer from malware. First of all, we are going to discuss computer viruses. Some computer experts create malware and spread through internet. It is very important to understand how malware spreads and how to protect computer from them. How malware spreads. The following are different ways through which malware can spread in your computers. The first one is infected flash drives and CDs. Flash drives and CDs are important means of exchanging data. A virus can also be copied from one computer to other when the user copies infected files using these devices. The second one is pirated software. Pirated software means making illegal copies of software and distributing it among different peoples. Virus can spread if the user installs pirated software that contains virus. A variety of pirated software is available in CDs and from internet also. Some companies intentionally add virus in their software because when the user uses this software without purchasing license, the virus will automatically activate it. Network and internet. Virus can spread if the user connects with a computer network that contains virus. Internet is an example of such network. Computer may get infected with a virus or other malware if the user downloads software such as games, updates, demos, and other programs from any unreliable sources and installs it on the computer. The next one is email attachments. The viruses are most commonly spread through emails. An email may contain an infected file attachment. Virus can spread if the user opens and downloads an email with infected file. Common symptoms of malware attacks. It is very difficult to list all the symptoms of infected computers. The reason for this is that there are hundreds and thousands of malicious programs and new ones are created every day. Sometimes some infected computers don't show any symptoms and the user thinks that his computer is not infected. So the list of common symptoms of infected computers is given below. The first one is computer does not start or it reboots automatically when it is on. Different types of error messages appear on the screen. Unexpected messages appear on the screen. Computer is running very slow. New files and folders are created on a hard disk, or sometimes folders are deleted or changed on the hard disk. Web browsers does not run in a normal way. Strange noise is heard when the computer is on. Protecting computer from malware. To safeguard our computer against viruses, worms, adware and spyware, we have to install the following software: antivirus software, anti-spyware software. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is a computer program that detects and removes viruses and other types of malware. Computer user should install it on computer and update it regularly. Most antivirus programs have an auto-update feature. This feature automatically updates the antivirus program through internet so that it can detect and prevent new virus from entering into the computer. Whenever a user connects a flash drive or any other type of storage device to the computer, he must run it through antivirus software to ensure that it does not contain any virus. Some commonly used antivirus programs are Norton Antivirus, Kaspersky, Bitdefender, etc. Anti-spyware. Anti-spyware is a computer program that detects spyware infections on computer and removes them. It helps to protect computer against security threats caused by spyware and other types of malware. Computer users should install it in computer and regularly update it to safeguard their computer against new threats. Anti-spyware program runs in the background of computer and continuously scans for spyware threats. A user can also start anti-spyware program to scan computer to find and remove spyware. Some commonly used anti-spyware programs are Norton Anti-Spyware, SpySweeper, Spyware Doctor. This is your assignment, students. After watching this video, you may able to solve these questions.